Look who we are the dreamers. We make it happen, 'cause we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers. We make it happen, 'cause we can see it. It's through
Different mathematicians from Unit 1 and Unit 2 in History of Mathematics. Muslim mathematicians. Al-Khwarizmi, the father of algebra, famous for his mathematical works, the Hindu-Arabic numerals, and algebra. Al-Kandi, the father of Arab philosophy, establishment of philosophy in the Islamic world. Indian mathematicians. Bhaskara II, he gave proof of the Pythagorean theorem by calculating the same area in two different ways and then cancelling out terms. Aryabhata, the father of Indian mathematics, he discovered theories like solar system rotation, approximation of pi place value system, and zero. Mathematicians in Greece. Archimedes, the father of mathematics, deriving an approximation of pi and defining and investigating the Archimedean spiral. Eudoxus of Cnidus, the method of exhaustion and his theory of proportion. Chinese mathematicians. Xu Shiji, famous work is his Mirror of the Four Elements. He devised a method for solving a higher-order polynomial equations containing as many as 4 unknown. Zhu Zhongzi, he gave credit to 3 approximation of pi and the interval. Mathematicians in medieval period. Boethius, his most influential work is The Consolation of Philosophy. He provided the basis for the development of mathematics, music, logic, and dialectic. He wrote De Institutionis Arithmetica. Leonardo Fibonacci, he wrote Liber Abaci. He introduced Hindu-Arabic numerals and the decimal number system in Europe. Thomas Brodwarden, he was one of the first scholars to apply mathematical methods to the study of physics and astronomy. He made contributions to the development of trigonometry and algebra. William Hethesbury, he is most noted for developing the mathematics of uniform acceleration and first contribution to developing the mathematical treatment of physics qualities such as it. Nicole Orizmi, he invented coordinate geometry long before Descartes. He was the first to use a fractional exponent and also worked on infinite series. Mathematicians in Renaissance. Francois Alviati, he made significant advances in algebra and first introduced the use of letters to represent variables. He discovered the connection between the roots and coefficients of a polynomial called Vieti's formula. He also wrote books about geometry and trigonometry. Johannes Gutenberg, his invention of movable type printing quickened the spread of knowledge, discoveries, and literacy. He also contributed to the printing revolution. Thomas Harriot, he did an outstanding work on the solution of equations, recognizing negative roots and complex roots. He introduced many symbols such as that to represent multiplication. Di Pacioli, he is the father of accounting and bookkeeping. He is an early contributor to the field known as accounting, the first person to publish a work on the double entry system of bookkeeping on the continent. Johannes Müller, he made important contributions to trigonometry and astronomy. He was the author of an arithmetic. George Joachim, his important work on trigonometry, Opus Platinum de Triangulis, uses all 6 trigonometric functions. He calculated functions and make tables. Nicolaus Copernicus, father of modern differential geometry, he has also created a new model where the sun is at the center and Earth moves around it in a circle. Johannes Kepler, he discovered two new regular polyhedra, worked on the problem of close packing of equal spheres, computed logarithms, and found volumes of solids of revolution. Galileo Galilei, his most famous and enduring mathematical ideas such as on the motion of objects on an inclined plane, the acceleration of free-falling bodies. Isaac Newton, father of calculus, he contributed to the study of power series. He generalized the binomial theorem. Gottfried Leibniz, his discovery of binary numeral system, Leibniz's law, and Leibniz's integral rule.